NVIDIA's crypto mining chip revenue now nominal following months of decline. Now, this is coming from CoinDesk, so more of a crypto perspective on what's going on with NVIDIA and cryptocurrency mining. A drop in crypto mining chip sales dragged down the chip maker's OEM business unit year over year. Chip giant NVIDIA said its contribution from sales of cryptocurrency mining processors, CMP, was nominal for its 2023 fiscal first quarter ended May 1st, 2022. So it's 2022 fiscal first quarter, not 2023, but there you go. We'll correct that. Constituting a drag on year-over-year revenue for its OEM business unit. NVIDIA said first quarter revenue for its OEM and other business unit fell 52% to $158 million from the same quarter last year due to a decline in its cryptocurrency mining processor sales, according to a filing. So you guys want to file and be honest about it when you're losing money, but when you're making a shit ton of money, you don't want to say nothing, do you? Oh, you sneaky, sneaky dogs. The chip maker didn't disclose the specific amount of sales for its mining processor unit in the first quarter, but labeled it as nominal and down from $155 million a year ago. And of course they don't want to state this because just like TSMC, NVIDIA doesn't want their investors realizing that essentially cryptocurrency mining has been the number one reason for the advancement in computer parts technologies over the past 6 years, something like 6 years, especially on the GPU side, but on the CPU side as well. A lot of what brought AMD's Radeon department from the brink, especially seeing that all they really had was Polaris, and they got lucky with Polaris being really good for mining. The only thing that brought them from the brink of basically complete collapse was cryptocurrency mining. And they don't want to admit to their investors that cryptocurrency mining is the number one thing that has enabled them to advance these GPUs so quickly in recent years, right? We're getting much more frequent releases of GPUs. We're getting incredible advancements in graphics cards. And a majority of that money has been coming from cryptocurrency mining. And if they let the investors know that, the investors will get sketchy and nervous when they see dips in the cryptocurrency market that they will assume, of course, and accurately assume probably, not financial advice, will affect the companies that they're invested in, right? And that is just that it's a sneaky game. And that's the reason why they don't want to report exact numbers. It's the same with TSMC pulling it off of their reports. It's just the way the cookie crumbles. It is a little annoying that they just ignore it, though. This comes after the sales of the CMP unit continued to decline with the price of cryptocurrencies in general. In NVIDIA's previous quarter, CMP fell 77% from the previous quarter. NVIDIA's total first quarter revenue was $8.29 billion, beating the consensus estimate of $8.12 billion, according to FactSet. Its OEM and other unit contributed about 2% of the first quarter revenue. Adjusted earnings per share of the $1.36 beat consensus estimates of $1.30 a share. However, NVIDIA gave fiscal second quarter sales guidance of $8.1 billion, which missed the consensus estimate of $8.4 billion. The shares of the chip maker were down about 7% in after-hours trading on Wednesday. And on May 6th, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission said NVIDIA failed to disclose that crypto mining was a significant contributor to its 2018 revenue, and the company agreed to pay a $5.5 million fine to settle the charges. Why would they want to settle the charges for $5.5 million US? Let's just think about that for a second. That seems like a lot of money to you and me, but to someone like NVIDIA and the amount of money they're making off of cryptocurrency, it's probably a drop in the bucket. I would assume we're in the billions, if not, we're in the billions, right? easily, NVIDIA is in the billions, more than likely, off of crypto mining revenue specifically. They realize that the markets are taking a downturn, that alternative coins that are mined by GPUs are waning, and it is less expensive for them to pay a fine than for their investors to find out how much they were actually making off of cryptocurrency. I hope you enjoyed this clip from the Crypto Mining Morning Show every Monday through Friday, 7:45 a.m. Pacific and 10:45 a.m. Eastern Time. You can check out more clips here, or if you're interested in checking out the entire live show, you can check that out down here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday.